It's Unboxing179 here, and today I'm back with another unboxing. Unboxing the bloody B120 Turbo Illuminated Gaming Keyboard. Yes, a new addition to my setup, and plus I got a gaming mouse that I'll be unboxing on another video. So let's get right through it. First of all, you get the scissors or your unboxing knife and cut this part off. Take it there and just open this. Nice packaging after that. So wow, very nice packaging too, thanks to Bloody. So then when you open it, you find the keyboard, nice packaging. So put that aside. Now we get some instruction manual from Bloody, and so you get some stuff here, keyboard manuals. Then we get their type of products they sell and they make. Then we get several pairs of the A, B, D, W, and S, because they have a red light. I'll show you. So we get that because I'll get the keyboard out. So we get these three types of the button tools. They have the red ones here, and you can change them to black because these do light up as I don't know how they happen. I don't know. I have to check. It's a nice keyboard. It's made out of plastic. It's heavy duty and I really like it. I'll be doing a review about this keyboard and how it works and stuff, but this was a small unboxing about the keyboard. Thank you guys. I hope you liked it, and see you next time on Unbox Tech. Peace out.